Okay, so as we can see from the examples on the screen now, Instagram is great for growing an audience and promoting products with Instagram affiliate links. You can see in these examples here, link is in the bio, so that you're putting your Instagram affiliate link on your profile page, this link here on your bio page. Instagram is a visual platform, so you basically encourage people to buy products so much more effectively. So in this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial of how to find your products to promote on Instagram, how to grow your Instagram audience by over 500 people per week, and finally, how to make your first sale by using Instagram affiliate links. Okay, so let's just jump straight into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is choose the category, so the niche that you're going to want to focus your Instagram account on and the types of products you're going to want to promote within. So by category niche, I mean things such as beauty, fashion, gaming, health, that sort of stuff. You want to choose like a topic that you're going to focus your account on. And when you've chosen that topic, so that's going to determine the type of products that you promote for your Instagram account. Now, the 3 best topics to choose for affiliate marketing to make a lot of sales with affiliate marketing are the health, the wealth, or the relationship niche. So you want to choose products that fall into one of those 3 things. Health can be anything from weight loss, fitness, bodybuilding. Wealth can be entrepreneurship, real estate, investing. Relationships can be things like, dating advice. It can be grooming, it can be fitness. Anything that you can fit loosely into those 3 topics are going to sell the best with affiliate marketing. So when making the decision of what topic to choose, it's best to just look on Instagram and see what already exists. So if we jump into my phone now, just go into the search area of Instagram. So just click on search now. And basically we're getting given information by Instagram of what is already popular on their platform. So I've just gone over to beauty, which obviously fits within the relationships or health category, probably relationships better. And you can see here there's lots of grooming videos on Instagram. So you want to pick a topic that you can relate to, that you can basically inform and educate people on. So I'm a guy, so male fashion, male grooming is a category within the beauty niche that I could maybe focus on. If we're scrolling down, we're just going to click on things and see if it's getting many views. So you can see this one's got 455 likes and it's using hashtags like UK barbers, barbers UK. So I could potentially choose the male grooming, so maybe beard trimming, hair cutting, and I could target those hashtags because I know that they're already getting a lot of views under those hashtags and that content within that category, so male grooming, is popular and a lot of people are clicking to look at that content. So we've used the Instagram search section to make sure that the topic we're thinking of choosing is actually worthwhile. So there's enough hashtags that exist within that category, enough people are consuming content within that niche. Now we have to find potential products to promote within that category. So if we jump back into the computer, the Amazon affiliate program is the best way for anyone to start with affiliate marketing. You can basically promote any product that exists on Amazon. So you are going to have like such a wide range of options when you're choosing your initial topic, your initial category. So we have chosen beauty and in more particular male grooming. So we're going to look on Amazon and find potential male grooming products that we can promote for our Instagram affiliate links. So if you're not already, you're going to want to get signed up to the Amazon affiliate program on this page by clicking this join now button. I'll put a link to this sign up page in the description below. But once you're signed up, you're going to want to then go to the Amazon website and make sure there's products that you want to promote. So, we want to do male grooming. So maybe if we look for men's hair products, here we go. Look, we're getting styling clay, grooming cream. Maybe if you want like men's hair trimmers that we could promote for our Instagram account. Yep. Trimming kits. So products exist on Amazon that we can promote with our affiliate links on Instagram. So we've chosen our topic and we've found products that we can make money from. Cool, so that's step number 1, is choosing your topic and finding the products for that topic. Step number 2 is then going to be to grow your Instagram account, and I'm going to show you a method now that you can grow it by over 500 people each week by really hardly doing anything yourself. And then finally, I'm going to show you how to get your first Instagram sale once you've got everything set up. And before I get into that, if this video gets 100 likes and 50 comments, I've been asked a lot to talk about Shopify on this channel and affiliate marketing. I'll go ahead and make a Shopify affiliate marketing video if I get enough likes and comments on this video. So go ahead and leave those likes and comments below and that will show me that you want a Shopify affiliate marketing video moving forwards. Okay, cool, but now on to growing your Instagram account by over 500 people, real followers every week. So what you're gonna wanna do first off is post between 2 to 3 posts every day on your new Instagram account. And you're gonna wanna be posting things to do with the male grooming niche in the example that we're talking about now. Obviously change the type of posts to fit your category. And you're going to want to be using the right hashtags to get attention in the topic that you have chosen. So posting 2 to 3 times every day sounds like a lot of work, but what you can actually do is you can use an Instagram scheduling software to do this automatically for you. So you're not sat on your phone every day posting and finding hashtags and replying to comments. You can just get a piece of software to do it automatically for you every day. So if we jump back into my computer, this is the software that I use myself to post to my Instagram page 3 times every day and grow. In the last 8 days, I've grown by 606 natural followers. And what this basically does is it allows us to upload any posts that we have already made. We can upload them to this software. So here's one I've just found, a male grooming, and I've uploaded it. Another male grooming picture. So the posts are going to be getting attention on our Instagram feed, so attracting the right type of people to our Instagram account that potentially going to become customers eventually. And what this is going to let us do is we can queue up days upon days worth of posts within this software. It also has an app that we can use to do this too. And then basically we can just schedule it for the next week or the next month to post to our Instagram pages automatically. So for example, here's a post here. And you know, I'm going to want some inspiration. I'm going to want to find the right hashtags to use for this post to get attention. So I can start off by maybe writing hashtag grooming. And what it's going to do is it's going to suggest all these hashtags for me within grooming. So I'm going to press on the grooming one, and then below it's going to give me even more suggested hashtags. So I can do men's grooming, barbering, international barbers, and the darker green the hashtag, the more likely are you getting attention and getting new followers it's going to be. So I can click Wall Pro, Barber Game. These are all hashtags that are like relevant and used in the category that I've chosen. So in this instance, male grooming. So once I've got my post and I've got my hashtags that I'm going to use, I can literally just go down and press add to queue. And if we look over here, that's been added to my schedule to get published on Wednesday, the 17th of April at 4:34. I can do it again with the next one, so let's go down here and put hashtag barbers maybe. Barber swag, because that's green, that's one we want to choose. Barber hub. So these are all things that people who are interested in male grooming are going to be looking for when they're searching for new posts on Instagram. Barber game. So I've got my hashtags there, got my post. I'm going to add that to queue, and you can see that's been added there at 12:47 on Wednesday. That's going to be posted straight to my Instagram account. I'm not going to have to be on my phone doing anything. It's going to get scheduled and sent straight to my account automatically just through the app. You can also use this app to schedule story posts as well. But if we just look at my schedule now, the software is basically going to allow you to create your weekly posting schedule. So I've gone for 2 schedules every day, Monday at 1:11 and at 8:39, Tuesday 7:40, 8:43. And so on. But what you can do is you can add as many or as little time slots as possible and have this software posting to your Instagram account as many or as little times a day as you want. So that's the first way you're going to grow your account by over 500 new followers every week. If you want to get this Instagram scheduling software yourself, I'll put a link in the description below. The first 30 days are completely free to use it, and then it goes to $14.99 a month. But you may as well test it out for those first 30 days, see if it's worthwhile for you, if it's working, and then at the end of the 30 days, if you want to, you can decide to pay for the monthly plan at $14.99. I definitely recommend it. I'm using it myself, and it's taking so much time and stress and energy away from my daily schedule. The next thing you're going to want to do to grow your account by over 500 followers a week of real followers is you're going to want to start following people who are following similar accounts, if that makes sense. So for example, you know, the category we've chosen here is male grooming. I'm going to find popular male grooming Instagram accounts, find the people that are following those accounts and start following them. And you know, for every 5 people I follow that is following a competitor's account, maybe one of those people is going to follow me back. So if I follow 10, I'm going to get 2 followers, and so on and so forth. And we know this because if I am building a really interesting male grooming account and I am scheduling all those posts using that scheduling software, so I've got a live active account with really good hashtags, and then I start following people that are going to be interested in my content, they're going to see my follow pop up on their feed, click my account to check me out, and see that I'm also posting really useful, informative stuff to do with male grooming. And I know they're already interested in that because they're following a competitor, so they're likely to follow me back. So the way we're going to find the competitors in the male grooming industry is, I've just gone to Google and I've done a quick search for male grooming Instagram influencers. Now if I scroll down to this link here, look at the top 5 grooming influencers. it's going to give me their Instagram accounts. So here we go, look, here's a blog article telling us all of the top 5 Instagram influencers that talk about grooming. So I just literally need to pick up these people and follow their followers to get them to follow me back. So here's one, Jack's Journal. If we go to their account, here we can see Jack's Journal, grooming stuff, grooming. Another person, let's have a look. Got Lewis here, go to his account. So yeah, we've got like fashion stuff, beauty products, him grooming in the mirror. So we can guarantee that people following these grooming accounts are going to be interested in my grooming Instagram account if it's up to scratch, if I'm posting 3 to 4 posts every day of interesting, visually stimulating, like engaging content. I've already shown you an app, to schedule your post for you, but that's all well and good. But if you're sat at your phone following people all day, then you're going to be losing all that time you've saved with the scheduling. Well, don't worry, there's an app where you can auto follow people as well. This is the app I use. This is the Instagram following app that I use myself. So I use this app to automatically follow followers of competitors' accounts to grow my personal Instagram following on my Instagram page, which you can see here. So you can see here it's got me 684 new followers since I started using it. And if you look on the right, you can see it's currently running, it's following people for me. It's followed 5,000 people so far for me automatically. I've done nothing myself, it's been completely hands off and it's done it for me. It also unfollows people, so when my follower count gets too high, it starts to unfollow them for me. So I'm getting new followers, but my follow list isn't getting extremely high that I can't handle it anymore. It's going to also unfollow too. And it's also engaging with those people that I follow. So if I follow someone and then I like a few of their posts, it's far more likely they're going to follow me back. And this software does the liking for you as well. So if you scroll down, you can see where I have basically set my account targets. So these are my competitors, people that make similar content to me on Instagram. I've told this software to go to those accounts and follow their followers. And it's going away and doing that for me every day. I don't have to do anything, it's just running in the background. And you can see here, I'm getting a 22% follow back ratio. So 1 in 5 people that are following me back, and it's estimating it's going to get me 2,500 new followers in the next 30 days. So that's way over 500 new followers every week, which you can potentially turn into Instagram affiliate customers. So I'll link you to this Instagram auto follower software below as well if you want to use this. Like I said, it's going to give you all that time back that you would be using sitting there following all those people. It will just do it automatically for you. There's a code which I'll put in the description. I think it's something like, I think the code is smart cookie or something like that. I'll go away and find out what it is, but I'll put it in the description, and that gives you your first month for just $5. So that allows you to be on the pro package, so it follows people as fast as possible for you for $5 in the first month, and then it goes up to $40 once that coupon has run out after the first month. But you can try this for $5 for 1 month, and it's going to be doing everything like in the extreme, so following as many people as possible, as quick as possible, to grow your follower list as quick as possible and get you those customers. So just to recap, you're going to be posting 2 to 3 posts every day of content that's going to be interesting to your target audience. So if you're doing like me, a male grooming page, you're going to be doing videos of pictures of people getting shaved, people looking good. If you're doing a gaming page, you're going to be doing maybe things with live streams of your gaming, images of computer game characters. If you're doing a sports thing, so like football, you can be doing pictures of footballers or famous plays, but you're going to be posting 2 to 3 posts every day using the right hashtags to get attention. And you can use that Instagram scheduling software that I've already mentioned to schedule those posts for the next weeks or months. So you just sit at your computer for like 10 minutes and then it does it for the next month for you automatically. Secondly, you're going to start following the right people. So you're going to find competitors, Instagram accounts that are doing similar things to what you're doing, and you're going to start following their followers. And as I said before, you can use the software to also follow on Instagram that I'll put in the description too. $5 for the first month, and it's going to follow thousands of people for you, and then in return get you followers back. So now you have your audience, at least 500 followers a week if you use a method I've been talking about in this video. You've built up a big enough audience. How do you make your sale with your Instagram affiliate link? Well, there is a formula to this. It's said that you want to be doing at least 5 to 6 entertaining, interesting, and informative posts in between every promotional post you do. So you're going to want to do, for instance, if I'm doing a male grooming channel, I'm going to want to do 5, 6, maybe even 7 videos of people getting shaved, amazing like haircuts and amazing beard styles that people can try themselves before I then decide to promote, say for instance, this trimming kit on Amazon. So you're going to want to give people a reason to keep coming to your brand, and you're going to want to be building a positive brand image as like a really interesting, entertaining, informative brand before you start to try to sell things. So 5 to 6 posts on your profile, just like my profile, and then the 6th, maybe 7th post, you're going to put a promotional post up. So you're going to maybe put an image of this razor kit. You can say something like, this is the best razor kit I've ever tried. If you want to buy it yourself, link can be found on my profile. So link in bio, that basically means that the link is on your profile in the bio link here. So you're going to get your affiliate link from Amazon or any other affiliate provider that you're using, and you're going to put it on your profile exactly where I'm highlighting now. And then, you know, if you've got an audience of 2,000, 4,000, 10,000, some of those people are going to see your post, think, oh, I need a razor kit, go onto your profile, click the link in the bio, and go ahead and buy that from Amazon. And then you're going to make your commission, and that's going to be your first Instagram affiliate sale by using your Instagram affiliate links. So it's as easy as that. You find your topic, you grow your audience by over 500 a week by posting regularly, using the right hashtags, and also following people. And then finally, you sell your products with every 6th or 7th Instagram post. Links to everything I've mentioned is in the description below if you want to get automation set up so you can basically be completely hands off and let software do all the hard work for you. And just let me know what you have think to this video. If you've got any questions or you've got any future ideas for new videos, let me know also in the comments below. I'm thinking of doing a video on Shopify, like I mentioned before, how you can do affiliate marketing through there, maybe Wix, maybe even like Twitter. Let me know in the comments below what you want to see. And like I said, if I get to 100 likes and 50 comments, I'll definitely do that Shopify video. So I hope you found this useful. That is the exact step-by-step formula to getting your first sale with Instagram affiliate links. It doesn't get any easier than that. Yeah, so just make sure to keep it at it. Like, hard work, perseverance pays off. I've been doing this for like 3 years now, and I'm living full-time off this type of revenue. So you can do it. It just takes persistence, consistency. If you follow the steps in this video, it's going to fast track you to getting those first few sales, which you can build from. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, starting up for more passive income tips, just like this affiliate marketing video. I'm Greg. It's been great helping you out today, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.